Hello viewers, in this video we will be comparing two powerful graphics cards from MSI. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. The RTX 3060 Gaming X is priced at $379, while the Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti costs $829. With a difference of $450, you might wonder if the higher-priced product is worth the investment. The RTX 3060 Gaming X is equipped with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3060 chipset, while the Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti comes with the newer GeForce RTX 4070 Ti chipset. The RTX 4070 Ti chipset offers superior performance and power compared to the RTX 3060. Both graphics cards feature 12 GB of GDDR6 video memory, but the Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti has faster GDDR6X memory, which offers faster data transfer rates and improved performance. Both cards have a 192-bit memory interface, which enables faster data transfer rates and better performance. Both graphics cards offer the same output options: DisplayPort X3, V1.4a, HDMI 2.1x1, which can support a digital maximum resolution of 7680 by 4320. Thank you for watching. While the RTX 4070 Ti offers better performance, it comes at a much higher cost. Depending on your budget and specific needs, either of these graphics cards can be a great investment. Let us know in the comments which one you think is the winner in this comparison. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons.